Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. This broadcast is for educational demonstration purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right, it's Friday. I see gold is crushing it pre-market. We had the jobs report this morning. Let me get my audio. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. I want to get my trade copier going on gold. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and enable it. I've got a tab here for the gold. And let's see if we can jump into one of these nice moves. On gold. All right, let's take a look at Forex Factory. I saw Jerome Powell. Man, he's going to be talking this afternoon. The U.S. employment situation, the jobs report was held at released at 8:30. And they added 150,000 jobs in February. The unemployment rate rose to 4.1%. Okay, so it was a little rosier than they expected. Let's look at the calendar for the rest of the day, though. Very news-driven market. We don't want to get caught with any unpleasant surprises. We have this morning those three red folders came out at 10:15. Starting at 10:15, we have the whole rundown of the Feds, the FOMC, Bauman, Williams, Kugler, Powell, the dynamic four. 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row, 5 in a row. And then President Trump at 3 o'clock. Uh-oh, I jumped into a short on gold. I didn't really want to take a counter trend trade. Try to bail out on this position quick. Wow, I'm in counter trend. Oh, wow. Ay, ay, ay. I hate counter trend trades. I jumped right into that one. Okay. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. If today's your first day joining us, we're going to be running the AI Auto Trader and the iBots. These are fully automated trading systems that trade on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. Once the strategies are enabled, the system will execute and manage the trades for you. Fully automated. What I want to do real quick, if I'm going to trade gold, is take away those counter trend trades. But I'm going to edit that strategy. And the way I can edit the counter trend trades is I can go to my 50 signal and put it on red green. 50 signal, red green. And once I make edits, I always want to make sure I'm on the correct instrument. Okay, I feel a little better about that one. So what we do, our methodology is we let the bots run through the London Open, the pre-market session, and we have what we call our leaderboard. Our leaderboard tells us which bots are performing the best in this current trading environment. We like to refer to them as the "what have you done for me latelys." If they did well 2 weeks ago or last week, well, that was very nice last week. But more importantly is, what have you done for me today? And these are the ones that are performing the best right now. Right now. We have the 20U on the NASDAQ. The ES30 range hit the one-day pass. We have custom templates specifically designed to pass the prop trading evaluations. And they leverage the maximum number of contracts based on the account, the prop account size. And we set the profit target to the minimum number of ticks in order to reach our profit goal. So this one in one trade for a $50,000 account made $31.50, just enough to pass the evaluation. Just enough. Let's see if we can pop into gold to the upside. What I do with this, there we go, another short trade. Oh man. I thought I had just taken precautions about that. Somehow I got into another short on gold. Okay, the market's going to open in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. My 20 Unirenko, market structure wise, I'm set up for a short. My 30 range, I'm set up for a short. And our iBots are going to kick in at 9:35. 9:35. Let's enable those. Okay, there's the market open.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. Let's let the market settle down.
Order submitted.
Somehow I'm in another trade. Must be in gold. Yeah, I'm in this gold trade. Well, I'm regretting enabling that
Order
gold.
filled.
Okay, here we go. It popped up to the upside.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we're set up for a short now on the NASDAQ.
Order filled. Order
Let's see if we
filled.
can get this short roll. Let's go over to our velocity.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
At 9:35, my iBots are going to
Order
kick in.
filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, Jorge. Good morning, Judy. Suzanne, good morning. Edward, Rao, George, Ankh, Rao.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Now gold went long after I disabled it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Judy's
filled.
gold scalper's up just under 5,000. There it goes long. That was the entry I was looking for too.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Didn't get it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Somehow I got the short entry.
Order filled. Order filled.
We got our 1 day pass, 20 Unarenko, gold. We're going to do a little bit of a recap. On Fridays, I like to go over the results.
Order submitted.
Take a look at the iBots.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Those iBots just kicked in just now.
Order filled.
I heard them fire off. They're all in. Let's take a look at the 16U on the iBot.
Order submitted.
There it goes, blasting off.
Order filled.
Bam, got a first target, quick.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's a quick 350 for the 16U.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Gold's in long. E-mini's in long.
Order filled.
Our ESI bot is in a short
Order
trade.
submitted. Order submitted.
IBOT is in long.
Order
Could be
filled.
trouble. Here we go. We're in this short position. Come on down.
Order submitted.
Come on down.
Order filled.
Get my profit window. Come on down.
Order filled.
Come on down. Oh, I don't like the position of my profit target. It's right below support. Not in a good spot.
Order filled.
Get my profit window now. Well, there's a lot of buyers right there. A lot of buyers sitting there. Got out on the line change.
Order filled. Order filled.
There goes gold to the races.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
30 range
Order
jumped
filled.
in long. Bam. Let's go.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Market's moving fast. Pop up. Pop up. Jump up. Get in our
Order
profit
submitted.
window. Get up there. Ah. Get up there. A little more. Oh.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Ay, ay, ay.
Order submitted.
Breakthrough there. Bounced again. Get up there. Ah. Well, that must have been so close to my profit window.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Keep going up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on, pop up to the upside.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Wow.
Order submitted.
Boy, I just scored nicely. Just scored nicely.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Had the
filled.
velocity and that 16U. I bailed out. Hit my
submitted.
hit my profit goal very quickly.
Order filled.
On that big move
order
up.
Filled. Order filled.
And I caught 500 on
Order
all my
filled.
PAs and over 1,000 on all my evals. Very quickly, even after pulling in that loser on gold.
Order filled.
I caught a couple of nice long trades on the 30U and the 16U.
Order filled.
Very quick and easy. No muss, no fuss.
Order filled.
I probably left a little money on the table. But I'm not going to cry over it. I'm very happy with Friday at 9:40 to be up $5,000 on my Apex accounts.
Order submitted.
So a good way to close the week on that 30 range.
Order submitted.
And that 16U on the
Order
IBOT.
submitted.
And look at
Order
that.
Order filled. Order filled.
The ES
Order
spun
filled.
around. Look at that. That IBOT's in that one as well. On that ES move. It was.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, we got a big move up here.
Order filled.
IBOT's all over it. ES30 range is in long. IBOT's in long on the E-mini.
Order
wow.
Order submitted.
There we go. These bots are starting to get some traction on this move up. We got some upside support, resistance, excuse me, on the NASDAQ.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
IBOT 20U, crushing it. Let's take a look at that strategy. Let me tell you, we started the week and the IBOT was creating a tremendous amount of lag. And I got to give Sergio just a ton of credit. I mean, this thing is, look at my lag. It's just non-existent.
Order submitted. Order filled.
This thing is running like a top.
Order filled.
It is. It's flying, Jorge. I put on those two strategies on my trade copier, and man, that thing just took off.
Order submitted.
Again,
Order
that
filled.
20U. This is the one that's crushing it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I thought with Jerome Powell coming
order
up,
filled. Order filled.
that it would the market would go sideways on us, but we're getting some good moves. Good volume. E-mini's up just under 10,000 contracts, just over 10,000 contracts, 11,000.
Order submitted.
Whoa, that spike in volume just caught me. Gave me a little bit of lag on that one. Good morning, Suzanne. Okay, we're short to 30 range. Kind of a counter trend trade. If you look at the 20U, on the 30 range, it's not a counter trend. Excuse me for just a moment. I'm going to just use the restroom real quick.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we're back.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
$30 range is in, trying to get to that profit window. I bought ES is up 1250, hit a full winner. Bam. The 1-2 punch. NQES.
Order submitted.
A little bit higher.
Order filled.
Bam. 30 range in the profit
Order
window.
filled.
Scored a 250. And it's right back in long. Bouncing off resistance.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh, ouch. The 20U is hanging in there. Gives the NASDAQ plenty of room.
Order submitted.
Hanging in there. Bam, here it comes back.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here it comes back, right back up. It's going to retest that area of resistance.
Order filled.
Man, there's a double top right there. A lot of sellers sitting right there at 20,215.
Order filled.
Man, they drove that price right back down. Did you see
Order
that?
filled.
Big bounce. Double topped right here, 213.
Order
214.
submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
See what the haymaker's doing. Down today. Let's get the sniper back in. It might have hit its profit goal
Order
today.
submitted.
Might need to reset the sniper. Yeah, P&L target. Let's get the sniper back in the game.
Order submitted.
Gold is taking a beating. I don't know why it's taking these short entries.
Order
Here we go.
filled.
Just jumped in long again. Let's see if we can get the sniper back in the game.
Order filled.
NQ20U sniper, where are you? Here it is. Get back in the game.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Good morning, Al. Well, if I told you this, you wouldn't believe it, but
order submitted.
We've got another birthday party this weekend.
Order submitted.
Come on, let's go. Come on, 20U. Come on, 20U. Get up there.
Order submitted.
Let's go.
Order submitted.
Now, those are big Unarenko bars.
Order filled.
Just need a little follow through now. We got a clear shot to our first profit target. Clear shot. Got decent volume.
Order submitted.
Come on, push up a little higher.
Order filled.
Yeah, I read in that jobs report that they were really anticipating a bad report because of all the layoffs.
Order filled. Order filled.
They're trimming down the
Order
size of
filled.
the federal government. They're draining the swamp. And they anticipated a big, a terrible jobs report. It wasn't as bad as they anticipated. They did add 150,000 jobs. The unemployment rate rose to 4.1%. And I only can imagine that those were private sector jobs. Now gold jumped into a nice trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Thank you. Good morning.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And we got problems. We got problems on the 20U.
Order submitted.
Ouch.
Order filled.
Came back. We were just a tick or two away from that profit target. Mm-mm-mm. You know, the 4U, that 4U on the E-mini's been doing really well.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Here's the sniper. The sniper is the bot that's at top, almost at the top of my leaderboard, with exception to the 1-day pass. I was hoping this one would get back in. I took a really nice entry.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
It's getting follow through now to the downside. Could be looking at another meltdown like it's been doing all week. They gave us the old head fake this morning. Let's see what happens. We're right at the 50.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Retirement plan's in. With these big reversals, that retirement plan is a viable option here. A good strategy. I was thinking that. Way this market is reversing back and forth. When there's volatility like that, that retirement plan catches reversals.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Bam,
Order
it went
submitted.
all the way.
Order filled.
The E-mini just broke right through the VWAP
filled.
like a
Order filled.
like a hot
Order
knife through
filled.
warm butter.
Order filled.
Right through the VWAP and boom.
Order
Here
submitted.
we go to the downside. My Steven drone isn't a monster. It must have gotten loose.
Order filled.
Let me go back and get Steven cranked up again.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, it jumped in short now. Man, that retirement plan flew right through the profit target.
Order submitted. Order. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, it's coming back now, bouncing up to the upside. Here's my open positions. NQ30 range.
Order filled.
On the IBOT. Curious about that. I wanted to watch that strategy. Let's see the 30 range. On my computer, this is the top one. I like how it managed that. Did you see that? It came, it jumped up. It's down 485, but it locked in some nice profits on that trade management strategy.
Order submitted.
This is the IBOT on a 30 range. And this volatility, a 30 range, is can get caught up in some whipsaw. Our ES30 range is doing really well today.
Order filled.
Let's see how it manages this position. It went long. Oof, we got to break through that resistance. That profit target's in a scary place.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's go. Break through. If it breaks through, it could go all the way.
Order filled.
Here we go. Nice hammer. Bullish hammer. Here we go. Locked in some nice profits. Now it's going for a monster.
Filled.
Here we go. This is the 30 range IBOT.
Order submitted.
It's already locked in 500. Now it's going for a home run.
Order filled. Order filled.
Picked up 500. Got an exit on a line change, but that was a beauty.
Order filled.
Boy, if that had some follow through to it, we'd be up $2,000 right now on that trade. Came back on us. Uh-oh. Sounded like one of my my phone ran out of battery. The ES4U, let's check that one out. That's been one of my hottest strategies. Doesn't go for a
order submitted.
Doesn't go for a home run trade.
Order submitted.
Here we go with the 30 range again. It's going to give it another shot to the upside. Come on, let's go.
Order submitted.
Get up there.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Got some good buying pressure here. Let's see if we break through resistance.
Order filled.
Come on, breakthrough.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Just locked in 500 again.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Little follow through now. Little follow through.
Order submitted.
Little follow through to the upside. Could be a $2,000 trade right here. We've locked in 500. We got a little wiggle room.
Order filled.
Ah, don't come back. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. Breakthrough one more time. Wow, that's some profit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Exit on the line change. Man, if we get into a trending market with this thing.
Order filled.
I bought 20, you got in. It's out now. Good morning, Dukester. The Dukester. Hey, 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 Pastor Williams.
Order filled.
Which is best?
Order submitted.
The retirement plan is doing very well. The 2-minute
Order
Signal
filled.
A retirement plan on the ES to 30 range. We hit a 1-day pass on that ES 30 range. I know you don't like the NASDAQ, so we got
order filled.
ES on yeah, either gold, Pastor Williams.
Order
Gold has
submitted.
been catching some nice moves to the upside on that 2 Unarenko. A little earlier, it's kind of gone flat here recently.
Order submitted.
Yeah, the retirement plan just took off long. That's on a 2-minute.
Order submitted.
And we're in a 30 range on the NASDAQ long.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get some follow through to the
submitted.
upside now.
Order filled.
Come on, breakthrough there. Got a lot of upside resistance. We're getting some buying pressure. We're just a lot of sellers are sitting right there at 20,180.
Order filled. Order filled.
Retirement plan got stopped out.
Order submitted.
It's going to try it again long.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Starting to sense that Friday late morning meltdown.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Our 2 minute, let's see where our 20U is. Yeah, our 20U is also, everything's set up for a short now. Our E-mini is right at the VWAP, bouncing. Getting a little bounce at the VWAP.
Order submitted.
There goes Steven. Steven short. Let's check out Steven. Steven's a very exciting strategy to watch. It trades an 8 Unarenko. And man, when it gets hot, it can really run up the score.
Order submitted.
This is our Unarenko strategy called Steven. Steven
Order
A.
filled.
Caught a big move down. Exit on the line change. Locked it in. Stevens up 17.25. It's coming up the leaderboard. Gold's in short. Gold's been looking for a short trade this whole session. Here we go. Let's go, Steven.
Order filled.
Okay, Steven's found some
Order
traction.
filled.
$18.80. Back in short. Trying to find the ebb and flow of the market here.
Order filled.
Steven seems to have found it. Getting lower lows.
Order submitted.
Lower highs and lower lows.
Order
There we
filled.
go. We break through here. We could, 1985. It's going to jump in short again. Big move down. pulled right back to the 50. Let's see if it rolls again.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
There it goes. Jumped in short again. See if it breaks. Got the break. Got the break. Got the break.
Order submit. Order filled.
Here we go.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There's the home run on Steven.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Looking for the home run on Steven. Oh, it hit our P&L. It hit our profit goal of 2,500. Well, we watched Steven climb right up that leaderboard in very short order. Let's reset it. Let's see if he keeps going. Oh, he's right back in the game. I thought he hit the P&L target.
Order submitted.
Take it back. It exit on the line change. Okay. Steven came right up to the top of our leaderboard very quickly.
Order filled.
What's today? The 7th.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Steven jumped in long. Steven actually had a very good week. I'm looking at the bot and the drone. The bot, on the bot, it's up 764.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay. I can't believe gold is back in short. Gold has been trying to catch a short move this entire session. It's determined. The drone, the Steven drone, is down 7,000. That's the one that keeps trading. This is how the logic works.
Order filled.
On this system. On the AI auto, each one of the bots runs in tandem with a drone. The drone is trading away like a drunken sailor. Lost 6,800. And if we go to the analysis and we look at it at the half hour of the day.
Order submitted.
It does well early. Now we look at our Steven bot. It only trades those early sessions that the drone does well. So it eliminates all of these losing time frames and only trades when the drone is profitable.
Order filled.
It's a really good illustration of how that dynamically changing trading hours Really increases the efficiency of the output. Let's see if we can break through this upside resistance. My goodness, we got a brick wall up on top of us. I'm looking at the 8U. Yeah, you know, that's how it started for me, Ron. It's weird. Ron is up
Order
6,200 on his
submitted.
gold. I don't know what I did with it. You're not the only one. Somebody else mentioned, I think it was Judy. When we opened, Judy said she was up big on gold.
Order filled.
That might have been yesterday. Oh no, it was Judy. She said her gold scalper's up just under 5,000. That was at, I think, about 9:30. Excuse me one second.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Just heard a lot of positions open or close. The NQ 1 minute on the iBot. Let's try that one.
Order submitted.
Here's the iBot 1 minute. What it would look like on a truly a 1 minute is something like this. My bid ask stopped. Oh, it's calculating is what it is. I kind of changed the data series in midstream. It's a decent entry right there, I'll tell you. Got to pull back to support and a continuation down. Our 15 is below the 50. They're both red, sloping down. Yep. Here it goes. Getting our profit window. Go all the way. There we go. Went right in our profit window, right there. Push down a little further. What a beautiful trade. Bam, got it. That was a beautiful trade on that 1 minute. Well, let's take a look at the top iBots that we have running. I was trying to find my top bots for the week. The Steven bot had a really great output, let me tell you, for an aggressive strategy. Trading the pre-market at 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30 window. It was up 764. My Haymaker drone was up $3,100. Had a couple of big sessions this week. The top iBots, the iBot 24U, this is February 24th to March 7th. This is on a computer on one of our servers that we're testing, the iBots. From February 24th to March 7th, the iBot on the 24U was up 21,693. Let me see. I think I'm locked up here. On the 20U, I bought 20U February 24th to March 6th, $11,996. This shows daily what the cumulative net profit was. And you can see the equity curve on a daily basis. If we put it on a weekly, it smooths it out significantly. But if we want to get more data points, put it on a daily, give you an idea of what type of drawdowns. There were a couple of days that it took $4,000 or $5,000 drawdowns. On the 20U. On the 16U, it's up $10,000. from February 24th to March 6th. So those are our top iBots.
Order submitted.
Cumulative between the three, up just under $45,000 over the last 2 weeks. Ronald, that's a good question. Yeah, that he's referring to the GC 2U BC scalper, yes. Not GS, GC. I imagine that's just a typo. We only run the bots, not drones, on accounts. The bots, remember, if you're right in front of your computer and you see that your drone is just finding its way to the top of your leaderboard, like the Steven drone did today. I saw that Steven drone slowly climb its way up, and in that circumstance, being in front of my computer and wanting to trade right now, because the bot may not necessarily be time optimized to trade right now. So if I'm in front of my computer and I see the drone come up to the top of my leaderboard, well, that's what I want to use as my leader account. I want to use that drone because I know it's going to keep trading right now. And I'm watching it right now take winner after winner. So in that circumstance, Ron, and you're right in front of your computer watching the drone rack up winner after winner, in that circumstance, you'd want to trade your drone. Now, if you're going to set it and forget it and you're going to enable it and go to work and not be in front of your computer, then it would make a lot more sense to trade the bot, just like you're saying. But you could certainly trade either one of them. Hey, good morning, Maddie. Good to see you again, my friend. You don't think this will work on Apex? No, it absolutely does work on Apex. Apex allows bots. Now they used to say that certain bots were not allowed, but we didn't fall into that category either. These are considered semi-automated bots. To make a long story short, the iBot. With the iBot, you could absolutely trade the iBots in micros on Apex accounts. Or you could use one of their larger accounts if you want to trade the minis. Hey, we caught this E-mini trade short. This ES4U is an exciting strategy. Finally got that gold move to the downside. Well, Pastor Williams, I hope you got in that short trade on the E-mini. The Steven drone, now the Steven drone is really crushing it here. Let me see if I could restart it. ES8U Steven drone. NQ8U Steven drone. Here it is. There it goes. Well, you've got a big move right now to the downside on the, I know you like trading the E-mini, Pastor. I think catching a short on the E-mini is a good move. Let me close this.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Jorge, good morning, my friend. No, right line funding, let me tell you, we're just a few days away. Company that we're working with to behind the scenes to get everything up operational about 2 weeks ago told us it would be about 2 weeks. So we're any day now. Any day now. Here we go. We're riding these trades to the downside now. We're at gold short, NASDAQ short, E-mini short.
Order submitted.
Steven jumps right back in the game. See if the bottom falls out here.
Order submitted.
I think that ES8U, Pastor, is a good entry right here. The ES on the 8U, it looks like it'll jump into the short side. My iBot on the 4U is off to the races. I like a short trade on the E-mini. Boy, where is Steven? Our ES30 range is in short as well. Now gold finally is trending to the downside. All right, well let's take a look at the leaderboard. I've kind of worn out my time here. Gold just jumped in.
Order submitted.
Here's the 24U. Getting a pullback now. Okay, so let me go over our leaderboard. I've got David Wise coming up behind me on the SPY Super System. This is the way it ended up today. Oops. We were able to catch a nice long trade. The first half hour of the market, we saw a pop to the upside. And between 9:30 and 9:40, I was able to get my PA accounts and my evals all in the green. Oh, I must have left them running. Ay, ay, ay. I can't tell you how many times I do that. On the retirement plan. Okay. Well, at least it wasn't on my PA accounts. I gave back some of the profits on my evals. But on my PA accounts, I got them all about $500 for the day. And on my evals, I was up over 1,000, thought I had stopped. But I had a copier running in the background, so I gave back some of it. So I'm up about 200 across my evals. The ES30 range one day pass scored. The bot of the day was that Steven 8 Unarenko. We watched it. It crushed it. It got red hot. And it made $2,220. The iBot on the 4U up 1,525. It's still playing in this trade here. It's still running, but taking some serious heat.
Order submitted.
The gold scalper up 1,400. Gold scalper. My GC2U is up $1,400. We had some of our members that made a lot more than that. The sniper up about 500. The Stephen Bot 375. Retirement plan a respectable 200.
Order submitted.
And we are back in. Gold short. Wicked us out. All right. Well, that's how we ended up this Friday, this week.
Submitted.
And we'll let this last trade play out.
Order submitted.
Getting a pop to the upside here, I see, on the NASDAQ. Retirement plan. I just caught my, just turned my copier off. I didn't know I was enabled on the retirement plan, but I was.
Order submitted.
Here goes gold right into the 50. Gold's been red hot, Pastor Williams. We've got members that are up 5,000. Ron Nettles up 6,200. Judy's up 5,000. So gold is a good one too. Here comes the E-mini back down. I bought 24U back in. Back in short. Taking some heat. Oh.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, everybody. Whoa! That 8 Unarenko just took off. Wow. Wonder what just happened. Something just happened.
Order submitted.
Oh man, Pastor, I hope you weren't in short on the E-mini. Something just happened. And the market just popped. I got 30 seconds of lag. Just that fast. Oh, Trump is speaking.
Order submitted.
Yeah, he could do it for sure. Thank you, Jorge. I hope you have a blessed weekend too. Let's see if we can get this lag out of the NASDAQ.
Order submitted.
Might get some big trading opportunities here.
Order submitted.
There goes gold. To the moon. Index equities down, gold up.
Order submitted.
I'm surprised Steven stopped trading.
submitted.
Hmm. All right, everybody. I hope everyone has a blessed weekend. I'm going to close out the live stream, and I hope you're able to spend quality time with the people that you care about the most. That's what it's all about. God bless you, and I hope you'll be back tomorrow, Monday. God willing, we'll be back Monday, and we'll do it all over again. Have a great weekend, everyone. So long. Sounds like relaxation. Good morning, Mr. Eden. SLR. Rodney, have a good weekend, everyone. I finally spoke to Sounds Like Relaxation yesterday. Well, listen, now Trump is whispering in the market's ear. He's not going to be outdone by Jerome Powell, that's for sure. All right, if you would, before you head off for the weekend, and I hope everybody has a great time. I've got another birthday party. My 5-year-old's turning 6 Sunday.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Here's Stephen. One more. This could be a wild ride. I have that whole gang of kids over in the neighborhood. They ride around on their tricycles like they were the Hells Angels around this cul-de-sac over here. On their scooters, not tricycles. All right, if you would, please like my video on YouTube. Gives us a little traction. Get some new eyes on our products and services.
Order submitted.
Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday. So long.